This is the Viome Precision Supplements unboxing. I've done 2 Viome tests so far. We'll share the results in the rest of this video. And I decided to order their precision supplements. This is their prebiotic, probiotic. It's 30 sachets of 8 capsules and 30 stick packets. This is what you'll get if you end up getting kind of the highest. I think it's $150 a month tier. I still haven't used it. I've had this for a couple months now, but today we're finally gonna open this sucker and see what's inside. It comes in a neat little Viome package box, which I do appreciate branding for them. You know? And inside this sucker. Hi, my name is Shervin, where we leverage technology to live happier and healthier lives. Today we're talking about the Viome. I'm gonna share my results. I'm gonna show you what's inside the precision supplements, and we'll talk about what I've learned. Is it worth it? Should you buy it? And one small fact, I actually did do Viome, so I've shipped my poop before, and actually these folks got, I think, investigated by the FBI. It's kind of funny that I still have this collection kit. Yeah, here we go. Here's the collection kit. This is the Viome collection kit. Check that out. This is a prehistoric item. I got some information. I think I lost it. I didn't use it. It wasn't extremely valuable, but also be careful when you are using any company like Viome, Viome, all the other ones out there where you're sending your health data to a business. You gotta be careful because you never know what they're gonna do. Make sure you do your research that they're smart and they're protecting your data, right? Viome test results. All right, you decoded by Viome. This is the website to talk about all the things you did. Looks like they have a sale going on right now. That $600 for $200, that's really good. So as the crazy guy that I am, I did order the most expensive one, right? The health intelligence test plus the supplements. Looks like it's $200 a month for this variation. They give you their custom made supplements for you, as well as prebiotic, probiotic. And today I'm gonna go through the results of what I learned. All right, we have logged into my Viome dashboard. I took 2 tests, so now we can kind of see what the results were and what I got. Good afternoon, Shervin. You're on day 95 of your recommendations. The results and recommendations are ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to nutrition. Here I can see my food list, avoid and minimize, the superfoods, and all my foods. So just from like an overall status, my cellular health, relatively low, 32 out of 100. It tells me kind of the prebiotics, probiotics that they recommend. View all my supplements. And these are all the supplements that they shipped me in the package, right? Look at this, this is an insane list. L-theanine, CoQ10, acetyl L-carnitine, creatine, vitamin B, vitamin B2, B9, L-tryptophan, copper, XOS, zinc carnosine. Some of these I don't even know. Lactocurcus, beta-glucan, right? This is a long list of all the things that they recommended and the dosage amounts for me via my results. And you're wondering, what did I get on my results? So let's go to my results, guide to my results. This just helps you understand, how do you understand your results? Go to all my scores. Welcome to your scores. So my scores are low. This really shows me that I need to work on my gut biome. 44 is my gut microbiome health, 32 cellular health, 29 mitochondria, 50 immune, 63 stress response, biological age. Oh my God. Wait. Oh my God. 39? All right, that's something we need to work on because my actual age is 28. So we are old. But let's go to gut microbiome health. As you can see, it improved over the first initial test, right? 34 to 44. Cellular health, 32 out of 100. I'm gonna work on that. I can get a full list of all my active microbes. Look at that full list, that's a lot. I don't know what they are. I can see my 2 different tests, right? I did a gut intelligence and a human intelligence. Then obviously they have their supplement plans, right? $150 for the precision supplements complete, and then just the supplements is $99. Just the prebiotics is $50, so you can get it split however you need. You can order more test kits, and then you can also have certain plans. Okay, I think what the coolest part is my food list. So if I go to nutrition and my food list, we can see avoid and minimize superfoods and all my foods. So let's just go to all my foods. I think the entire list will be here. So now we have our superfoods, right? Artichoke, asparagus, avocado, banana, black-eyed peas, bone broth, Brazil nuts, blah, blah, blah. Like this is a long list of foods that are really good, supposedly for me, depending on my microbiome. There's that full list, right? I've got some enjoy foods as well, like black beans, different kinds of bone broth. And this list is very extensive, as you can tell. And then which we get to our minimized foods. So almonds, this was actually on my food sensitivity test as well. Almonds was beet greens, bok choy, cane sugar, dates, egg whites minimized. That's very interesting. Egg yolk, well, even great. Halibut, no, I love halibut. Onion, I love onion. And then you have your avoid list. So bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cashews. I eat a lot of cashews. Goat, tomato, spinach, trout, and wild rice. Wow, this is a lot of food that I actually really enjoy eating. I haven't actually cut any of these out, but I think I should run an experiment. These are kind of my results, so you can kind of see if you want to compare it with what you might be able to see if you do this test. So you essentially get a list of foods you should avoid, ones you minimize, ones you can enjoy, and then your superfoods, which you should try to eat as much as you possibly can in a healthy doses. All right, so if you want to get your own Viome test, I highly recommend use my code Shervin10, and you can get discount off of it as well as help support the cut. Viome Precision Supplements. Now we'll walk through this, kind of what I got in the box because of my results. We open, oh, come on, we gotta have the cool effects, right? Your Precision Supplements, probiotics and prebiotics have arrived, created just for you from over 250 premium ingredients, your complete list and instructions inside this card. So this is the Precision Supplements, kind of what the packet looks like. This is their prebiotic and probiotic. Just take this card off, and then inside we also have their Precision, just what you need, nothing that you don't. Precision Supplements, it has my name on the back, which, wow, that's awesome. More supplements, manufactured 12/31/20. So yep, it's been a while. It doesn't say what's inside. 8 vegetarian capsules. It's got a cool packaging. They have kind of noun right there. It's got my full name and the manufacturer date. And I think this is for an entire month, I would presume. And also we have our Precision Supplements in prebiotic and probiotic form. So this is something you'd probably mix in like a drink before you drink it. Before you drink it. And we just got hella packets, but that's kind of what's inside of this box. Now how do we use it? Looks like we got a big pamphlet of instructions. Wow. So the stick pack, add 1 stick pack to your favorite smoothie beverage, not hot, for adults only. And then inside you can kind of see, this is the unique items that they've given for me. And that's kind of the nutrition facts right there. And then over here, supplement facts, I should say. This is the vitamins, the other supplement facts on this side. Take 1 sachet of 8 capsules daily, so 8 pills daily during the day with food, and at least 4 ounces of liquid, not hot, for adults only. So it tells me all the different vitamins, and it's got like magnesium, zinc, selenium, potassium, copper, vitamin B3, a whole bunch of stuff, even ashwagandha, creatine. Wow, this is some next level stuff. So you're supposed to take 1 of these packets every day. It doesn't say which time of day, so I think 1 of these and 1 of these, and I do that for 30 days, and ideally I would retest and see kind of how has my microbiome, my gut changed. So here you go, this is kind of their subscription model. So you first do the test, you pay them once, then you get your results and they give you a custom test, and then you pay them monthly. So this is actually brilliant on their part. They're making a ton of money. I'll have a referral link down below so I can make a little bit of money as well, help support the channel. Maybe I'll be able to order more of these, but this is the custom supplements and probiotics that they give you. I'm gonna try it out, see how it goes after a month. Do I feel any different? Does it impact my life? I hope it does. This was the Viome results and prebiotic, probiotic supplements unboxing and showing you what it's like. Hope you enjoyed it. Use my affiliate link down below. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Peace.